and welcome everyone to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will know when a new video is uploaded. Alright guys. So today I'm gonna do a quick haul video. Hopefully maybe I might squeeze in a third video, not too sure, but this week yeah, I just got back, hopefully from vacation, or I have to film this beforehand. Anyway guys, so this is a monthly kit from Miss Printable Studio. I got like 5 of these kits. It's a couple of whammies in her store right now. Like if you get 3, you get 2 free. If you get 2, you get 1 free, something like that. So yeah, super duper excited. So I needed some monthly. This is my printer. I don't know why it prints like that. And this is the second half of the kit. I may or may not use that. It is okay. So this is for the month of July. This is page 1, and here goes page 2. Okay. Alright. And here is page 1. Again, my printer, this does not affect the quality of her. Sorry, I thought I saw something. This is my printer. I don't know why I did this, but it is what it is. So anyway, so yeah, little upset about that, but anyways, so this is page 2. I'm guessing this is page 1 and this is page 2. I bought a bunch, but I kind of like anyways, so this is from Plannerology Studios. I got the take a picture or take photos from her shop. This is Planning with Miss V, YouTube stickers. Here is another printable. This is a monthly printable. This one is from DLS Design Lovely Studios. I've featured her or this Etsy seller before. So, and this is one kit, and here's another printable. Sheet 1 and sheet 2 has a lot. Here's another thing from Plannerology. This is some block stickers. I love the fact that she has like a bunch of different block, whatchamacallits. And here we go. I think one of them is an extra, but I printed by accident. Here is another printable. This one is from Print Petticoat Bandit. A monthly kit. This is page 1, or this is page 1, and then here is page 2. This is from my printer. Yeah, so you get all these cute little fashion girls. And yeah, I'm gonna bring this. Sorry about that. Alright. This one is her Black Lives Matter weekly kit. And I love this. This one is on sale now. Black men, black children, families, possibilities matter. Sorry. So beautiful, so powerful. I love the colors in it. Just wish my printer would have printed it some of the imagery a little darker. And I know that the headers is one, and then this one comes with like 2 headers. So this is like comes with page, what is this, A and B twice. So I love that. So you can do like 2 weeks of this and a weekend banner. A lot of fun washi. I like the setup, how it's so easy to cut out by hand. And here we go. Here's another one. And then this is page 3. And she provides a lot of different icons. Love the rainbow. This is a really beautiful kit. Love this. Love the Hello Weekend banner again. Rainbow. Love the rainbow headers. A lot of great detail. All of this kit is just absolutely stunning. Just love this kit. I love the colors. Like this one, I wish it would have printed out just a tad bit darker. But I will definitely try and cut it out perfectly or as straight as possible. Now that I'm looking at it in the light, maybe it's just my light. It's not as bad as I thought. Yeah, so. And then she also provides these cute little bandits. I think these are called her little bandits in a variety of skin tones and hair colors. Here is another one from Miss Printable Studios. I thought this was so pretty. I love the galaxy. This could be used for winter. This could be used for summer. Love it. And then here is page 2. I am actually thinking about doing a Christmas in July spread. I did it once before and I had so much fun doing it. So I decided that I'm going to do it again. So I picked up this kit from Miss Printable Studios. And I love all of that. And I'm definitely going to probably want to use it for the actual Christmas season or holiday, winter holiday. Yeah. So did I print out? I probably did. Am I going? I think, yeah, I'm going. All right. So that is my printable haul, you guys. I will link everything down below. I will link the actual kits. Let me see if my camera is doing anything funny. The actual kits, because just I figured it'd be a little bit more helpful instead of just linking this to stores. And yeah, go check them out, guys. They're really awesome and reasonably priced. All right, so thank you for watching and bye for now.